Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the labor laws as stated by Kautilya in his Arthashastra. Agreement for paying the wages to a laborer had to be done in public. Obligations of employees. When salary is given, he has to work. If hired for specific job, he should do only that specific job and not any other work. To follow timings of work. Rights of employees. In following circumstances, employee can get his work done through other person. When he is sick, when he is in distress, when he is incapable of doing work, when employee does more work, he is entitled for the additional compensation. Once again friends, when we are reading this is nothing but our present day laws which are there, which clearly say that what are the obligations of the employee, what are the rights of employee. Further, here we can see in special circumstances the employee is given a power to delegate his work to somebody else and get that work done to somebody. So I think this power of delegation is something which is different compared to the present day our labor laws. Let us see what more labor laws are there. Now, obligation of employers. When a person is appointed for specific job, only that work has to be allotted to him. When employee does more work, employer has to pay additional compensation. Rights of employers. To get the work done from employee by using any means. To disqualify employee if he is not working properly. So I think once again, as first we discussed the obligations and rights of employee, identically what are the obligations and rights of employer are being stated here. So in a whole, the manner in which the present labor law is there, identically to some extent it had been in existence even in the ancient times. So this was the labor laws which we discussed here. In our next video, we will discuss the law of partnership. Thank you.